Alright guys, so it's pretty easy to adjust the screen on your PS5. First, just go to your home page, hold the PS button. Then go up to the top. To the top right, press Settings, press X. Then go down to Screen and Video. Now there are some options on the video output like resolution. But what most of you want, just go back. Go to Screen. Then adjust Display Area. From here you can either press down or press up on the D-pad. Then when you're done at the bottom, just press OK. If this doesn't work, you have to adjust the settings on your TV. But hey guys, hope this helped out.